Welcome to iTuning, a peaceful place where real nature ambience is recorded directly from the outdoors. Today, I will take you behind the scenes of how these sounds are captured. No studio, no artificial effects, just nature and a simple setup right by the river. I'm using only basic tools: a smartphone camera, a tripod, and a portable audio recorder. Even with simple equipment, the goal is always clarity, realism, and a peaceful natural experience. Every moment you hear later is recorded right here by me. Before capturing the sound, I first set up the camera, finding the right angle, letting the river be the main character in every frame. I avoid anything artificial, only pure nature in motion. For the ambience you enjoy, I place the microphone carefully near the river flow, not too close, not too far. I listen to the water before pressing record, waiting for the moment when nature sounds clean and calming. This makes every audio unique and fully original. Sometimes the wind gets stronger, or footsteps from hikers enter the recording. That is a part of real outdoor sound. Nature is never silent, and that's what makes it beautiful. Thank you for joining this behind-the-scenes journey. If you enjoy real nature ambience, stay with iTuning. More peaceful places are waiting to be recorded. See you in the next video. Stay relaxed and stay focused.